A thrilling clash. The atmosphere was electric, the stakes were high, and the fans were on the edge of their seats. England's dynamic duo Salt and Mousley put on a masterclass against the West Indies, showcasing their incredible skills and determination. But will it be enough to secure victory in this nail-biting encounter? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the heart-pounding moments of this match. Hi viewers, welcome to my channel, MKK The Daily Pulse, one destination for updates around the world, bringing you the latest and greatest from the world of sports and beyond. Let's get straight into the action. In the third ODI, England faced a formidable West Indies team known for their aggressive play and never-say-die attitude, and what a match it was. The tension was palpable and every run counted. England's opening batsman Phil Salt and the young sensation Jacob Mousley truly shined, proving his mettle on the big stage. Salt came out swinging, racking up an impressive 78 runs off just 63 balls, a performance that left the crowd in awe. His aggressive play style put the West Indies bowlers on the back foot right from the start, setting the tone for the innings. Mousley, on the other hand, played a more measured but equally impactful innings, showing great composure under pressure. His 72 off 88 balls was a testament to his growing maturity and skill, a performance that will be remembered for a long time. Together, Salt and Mousley built a crucial partnership of 129 runs, setting the stage for England's total of 263 for 8, a competitive score that gave them a fighting chance. But it wasn't all plain sailing for England. The West Indies bowlers, led by Alzarri Joseph, fought back valiantly, refusing to give up without a fight. Joseph's figures of 3 for 45 were key in stalling England's charge in the middle overs, a performance that kept the match in balance. Switching to the chase, the West Indies responded with flair, determined to chase down the target. Shai Hope anchored the innings with a solid 85 off 95 balls, a performance that kept the West Indies in the hunt. While Nicholas Pooran chipped in with a quick-fire 45 off 38, adding crucial runs to the total. However, England's bowlers held their nerve, refusing to buckle under pressure. Adil Rashid's 4 for 54 turned the tide back in their favour, a performance that proved to be the difference in the end. His crucial wickets at crucial moments ensured that the West Indies couldn't overtake the target, a performance that will be remembered for a long time. It all came down to the final over, with the West Indies needing 10 runs to win, a scenario that had everyone on the edge of their seats. Mark Wood, England's pace spearhead, bowled a sensational over, conceding just 5 runs and taking the final wicket, a performance that sealed the victory for England. England clinched the match by 4 runs in a nail-biting finish. Salt and Mousley were rightly hailed as the heroes of the match, their contributions pivotal in securing this thrilling victory, a performance that will be remembered for a long time. What a game. Matches like these remind us why we love cricket so much: the excitement, the tension, the sheer unpredictability. The excitement, the tension, the sheer unpredictability. It's what keeps us coming back for more. It's what keeps us coming back for more. Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates, bringing you the latest and greatest from the world of sports. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hasta la vista, namaste.